Homemade cough syrup is one of the best things to have handy during the cold and flu season. This remedy is suitable for adults and littles over the age of 1. It is a strong combination of red onions, which is anti-inflammatory, citrus for immune boost, garlic and cloves, which are antimicrobial, and honey that soothes the throat, reduces irritation, and acts as a natural decongestant. Put everything in a jar, let it sit on the counter for 24 hours, strain, and use for up to 5 days. Like and follow for more recipes.